Comparison of surds. Objectives. Comparison of surds. Illustrations. Comparison of surds. Two surds of the same order can be easily compared by just comparing their radicands. Hence, nth root of A is greater than nth root of B if A is greater than B. That is, cube root 11 is greater than cube root 9. Conversion of surds into same order. Procedure. 1. Let the given surds be n1th root of A1, n2th root of A2, and so on, nkth root of AK. 2. Write the order of these surds as n1, n2, nk, and let it be n. 3. Find the LCM of n1, n2, and so on nk, and let it be n. 4. Find n by n1, n by n2, and so on n by nk. Let these be m1, m2, and so on mk respectively. Then the required surds are in the same order. Nth root of a1 power m1, nth root of a2 power m2, and so on nth root of ak power mk. Illustration 1 equals to 2 power 3 by 6 equals to 2 cube power 1 by 6 equals to 6th root of 2 cube equals to 6th root of 8. Illustration 2. 4th root of 4 into a surd of order 8. 4th root of 4 equals to 4 power 1 by 4 equals to 4 power 1 by 4 into 2 by 2 equals to 4 power 2 by 8 equals to 4 square power 1 by 8 equals to 16 power 1 by 8 equals to 8th root of 16. Illustration 3. Which of root 15 minus root 14, root 23 minus root 22 is smaller? Solution. Let x equal to root 15 minus root 14 into root 15 plus root 14 by root 15 plus root 14 equals to 1 by root 15 plus root 14. Y equals to root 23 minus root 22 into root 23 plus root 22 by root 23 plus root 22 equals to 1 by root 23 plus root 22. We know that root 23 plus root 22 is greater than root 15 plus root 14. 1 by root 23 plus root 22 is less than root 15 plus root 14. Y is less than x. Therefore, root 23 minus root 22 is smaller. Illustration 4. Which of root 3 plus 2, 3 plus root 2 is greater? Solution. Root 3 plus 2 is greater than 0 and 3 plus root 2 is greater than 0. Let x equals to root 3 plus 2. Squaring on both sides, x square equals to root 3 plus 2 whole square equals to 3 plus 4 root 3. X square equals to 7 plus 4 root 3 equals to 7 plus root 48. Let y equals to 3 plus root 2. Y square equals to 3 plus root 2 whole square equals to 9 plus 2 plus 6 root 2. Y square equals to 11 plus 6 root 2 equals to 11 plus root 72. This implies y square is greater than x square. That means y is greater than x. Clearly, 11 plus root 72 is greater than 7 plus root 48. This implies 3 plus root 2 is greater than root 3 plus 2.